So here we have a
2001 to 2003 Acura TL Type S. Another hood latch problem. Won't stay shut no matter how hard you actually slam it. Won't stay shut. What's happening is this. Get my screwdriver. This lever here is being stuck open this way. So what needs to happen is being pushed this way to make it to actually shut the switch here to hold the latch down.
You want to go pull it?
If you want to pull the just to pull the cable there on the inside of the car. And it should be back to sprung, and it should shut the car now, or shut the hood for the car, and it does.
There it is, another hood latch for you guys.